This is Mike, and in this practice, we'll focus on releasing the blockages that keep your energy trapped, just like a river that's been dammed up. Together, we'll work on clearing those blockages so that your energy can flow freely again, restoring a sense of spaciousness, balance, and renewal within the body. Settle into a comfortable position, allowing your body to soften. Make sure you are completely and extremely comfortable, perhaps lying on your back, on your side, or even sitting. Maybe using extra pillows, blankets, eye masks, and aromatherapy. Please pause this recording if you need more time. Make any adjustments to your head, shoulders, hips, and legs to get more comfortable. Let's begin by noticing your body resting on the ground. Notice your body breathing itself, the natural flow of energy, prana. And just like the waves of the ocean have a rhythm coming into the shoreline, the breath has a rhythm, an already existing rhythm. And let's be a witness and watch our natural rhythm, waiting for the breath to come to you, noticing the expansion in the body on the inhale and the letting go on the exhale. Each breath penetrating deeper. Starting to notice the joints softening, the muscles releasing, grip releasing. Could you bring awareness to the space between your toes, the heels and their contact with the floor, your calves and the floor, backs of your thighs and the floor, parts of your spine touching the floor, shoulder blades, the back of the head. Could you notice the crown of the head, the right eye, left eye, right cheek, left cheek, the tip of the tongue, the root of the tongue, the entire tongue, the teeth, the gums, the mouth, and nose. Could you bring awareness to the nose, the entire nose, the right nostril, the left nostril, the right shoulder, left shoulder, right hip, left hip, right knee, left knee, right foot, right big toe, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Left foot, left big toe, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Soles of the feet. Could you bring awareness to the soles of your feet? And imagine using the power of your mind. You could inhale through the soles of your feet, up the front side of the body to the crown of the head. Exhaling down the back side of the body and back out the feet. Inhaling this golden energy up the front side of the body to the crown. Exhaling down the back side of the body and out the feet. Visualizing a healing loop, a golden healing loop, giving you what you need today to let go of, to release, to unblock. This energy penetrating every cell in your being. As you continue to connect with this golden light, this healing energy, bring your awareness to the space behind your eyelids, that infinite space. And imagine a river with debris and fallen branches blocking its flow. The water struggles to move forward, creating tension and pressure behind the blockage. Feel the stuckness in your body, like this obstructed river. Feeling where the energy in certain areas feels stagnant or blocked. Maybe your hips, your knees, and neck. Feeling this buildup, this constriction in your body. And like a rain cloud ready to release its rain, it's building and building. And now envision the debris slowly clearing away, the branches lifting, and the water resuming its natural flow, free and unrestricted. And just as this river runs smoothly once again, feel your energy flowing effortlessly throughout your body. The tension releases, spaciousness unfolds, and the areas that felt blocked are now open and expansive, vibrating with new life, new dreams, new focus. Take a moment here to visualize this stream flowing, noticing the colors of the water, the vegetation, the natural aromas of the earth, the air, the wildflowers, noticing sounds, birds, the wind in the trees. Take a moment to be here, enjoying this new liberation, the freedom. And as we slowly transition back to the present moment, bring your awareness to your new energy, this freedom that you have. Ground yourself in these new sensations of liberation. Take a moment to reflect on this journey of release and renewal. Bring your awareness back to your breath and the space around you. Noticing sounds within the room, within your body, starting to invite movement to your body. And releasing any thoughts that may no longer serve you. Let's end with a physiological sigh, taking a double inhale through the nose and a long exhale through the mouth. Double inhale, inhale, inhale. Drawing the hands to the heart center, honoring the creative spirit in each and every one of us. Namaste.